Hi, welcome to this video. Before getting into the video, I will show you my trades which I took recently using this strategy. I'm also a small trader like you. I don't have very big capital, but I'm using this simple strategy to get some profit. So without getting late, let's get started. Before getting into the actual video, we'll start with some basics. What is swing trading? Swing trading is nothing but if you buy some stock today and you will sell that stock after 1 week or after 1 month or even after 2 months. So you buy some shares and hold it for some time and then you will sell when your stop loss is hit or whether your target is hit. This is how swing trading works. Let's see how the stock price will go. The stock price will not go higher like this, or the stock price will not go down like this. It always goes in a zigzag manner. If it is an uptrend, it will go higher and it will have some correction. It will go higher. It will have some correction and it will go down. If it is in downtrend, it will go down, some correction, go down, some correction, and it will go down. This is how the stock price moves. When it comes to trading, it can be swing trading or intraday trading, but the only thing that matters is support and resistance. Now, what is support and resistance? If you see the previous example, if it is an uptrend, the stock price goes up like this, right? Now, what is a support? Let us take a chair as an example. A chair is there and you are sitting on that because the chair is acting as a support. That's why you are able to sit in the chair and you are not falling down. The same concept applies to the stock market also. If you draw a line like here, then you can see from here the price started going up, then there is some correction and here it have some support and gone up, here there is some support. So this line is acting as a support. So whenever the price comes near this line, the price will shoot up again. This is how the support works. Now what is resistance? Resistance is something that keeps you pulling down. For example, if you see, if I draw a line here, then this is how the resistance works. If you see, the price gone up, hit this line and came down, gone up, hit this line, came down, gone up, hit this line, came down. So whenever the price touches this line, it will force the price to go down. This is how resistance works. Now coming back to the point, how can we trade using resistance, support and resistance? Now support is something that pushes the price upward. Resistance is something that pushes the price downward. Let us take this as an example. If you could draw a line here, then we can draw it like this. Okay, let us take this as an example. So whenever the price come near the support, pushes up. Whenever the price came near the resistance, it pushes down. So comes near the support, pushes up, comes near the resistance, pushes down. So this is how support and resistance works in combination. Let us see the actual L&T Infotech. I recently took a trade in this L&T Infotech stock and booked a profit of almost 11%. So let us see. So when I talked about the support and resistance, I forgot to tell about something. There is some patterns. I mainly prefer three patterns. One is channel pattern. So this is the channel pattern. Price will go between these channels. This is how channel pattern works. Second pattern is triangle. So the price will move between these adjacent sides of the triangle, and at some point of time it will break out. It may be break out up or it may break out down. The third pattern is wedge. It is somewhat in between channel and triangle. It is not a channel and it is also not a triangle. It is somewhat in between. So the price moves between this support and resistance, and at some point of time it will break out. So I mainly use these three patterns. For a beginner it is, let's see how I entered into this stock. This is the price movement of the L&T Infotech, and if you see, here we can draw a line. Here we can draw a resistance. Because whenever the price comes near this line, it pushes the stock downwards. So this is a clear resistance. Secondly, I am going to draw a support. If you see, whenever the price comes near the support line, it pushes the stock upwards. So here it acts as a support. So this is clearly a triangle. Now what we can do is, we are waiting for the breakout. What is a breakout? Breakout is nothing but a change in pattern from the actual pattern. If it is a triangle, the price has to come out of the triangle. If it is a channel, the price has to come out of the channel. If you hear after 1, 2, 3 resistances, the price actually came out in this candle. So the stock has breakout. So the stock price has broken out from the pattern, broken out from the resistance. Now let's see how I entered and where I booked my profit. I entered here after the confirmation and my profit was around at 3,840 rupees. So this is where it is 11.45%. My stop loss is here. I will made another video on how to enter, where you should book your profit, where you should hold to the stock, how to put stop loss, how to put target, like that. I will be making another video. It will be a lengthy video, so I will break down into several parts. So subscribe to our channel to get quick updates. So this is a triangle pattern. This is how I traded the stock. Now let's see another example on channel pattern. Okay, this is GNFC stock. This is the price movement of the stock. In this we are going to draw a channel pattern. Channel pattern is nothing but a parallel resistance and support lines. So you can draw like this. Don't worry if you are having some trouble in drawing patterns. If you are not able to pick the patterns, don't worry. It's for a beginners it is somewhat tough. Not tough. When you try to analyze more and more charts, it will become very familiar to you. That's how I made it familiar to me, and that's how I would trade. So if you see, this is the resistance. Pushes the stock down, pushes the stock down, pushes the stock down. And this one is the support. Pushes the stock up, pushes up, and pushes up. Now I clearly know that the stock price is moving between these channels, right? And now the stock price has come down. It is the right time for us to enter. I am entered here, and my target is here, and my stop loss is here. Now why my target is here? Because it's the channel pattern. If the price starts moving up, it will go till the resistance line. So till this line. So I am planning to book profit here, and if it goes against my target, so if it goes against my prediction, I have fixed the stop loss here. So don't worry if you don't know how to put stop loss. I will make another video, don't worry. Just subscribe to our channel and I will let you know. So I entered here and currently I am in a profit of around 4% in 2 days. This is the channel pattern. This is how channel pattern works. Now coming to the wedge pattern. Wedge pattern is something in between channel and triangle. It is not a clear channel, it is not a triangle. It is somewhat in between channel and triangle. This is the price movement of the previous motors. Let's see how I traded and how I booked a profit of 20%. So don't worry if you don't know how to draw patterns. I will tell you a way to how to draw patterns. Don't worry. If you see here, there's a clear resistance here, here, and here. There's a support here twice. Now and here the stock tried to break out, but due to some market condition it came down. But the next day it broke out. But I knew clearly when I was here, because I was trading the strategies many times, so I was very clear that this time the stock will broke out, and I entered here and my stop loss was here and I booked a profit around here. After this reversal I know that 640 rupees I booked a profit, so I booked it here and I made a profit of around 20%, 18.32%. A very good profit, I think. So this is how we should do swing trading. This is not a compulsion, but this is how I trade. It's very easy to trade. It is very stress free, and you just want to find the pattern. You just want to find the right entry, right target, and right stop loss. So and don't worry if you don't know how to draw patterns, how to put stop loss, how to fix targets. Don't worry, because these three are the very important things: how to draw pattern, where to enter, how to fix stop loss, how to put target, when you should hold the stop, even after achieving target, when you should hold the stop. So all these things are very important for swing trading using price action. So there are mainly these are the 5 things, and if I start explaining all these 5 concepts, it will become a lengthy video. So don't worry, by today or tomorrow I will uploading a video on how to do all these 5 things very properly, and don't worry, just subscribe to our channel.